In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access manual journals in Xero 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your journal report and the quickest way to open or create manual journals so you can review entries or post adjustments with confidence. Start by heading to the Xero login page. On the home page, select the login button to open the sign-in screen. Enter your email and password, then choose login again to proceed. If you're prompted for multi-factor authentication, complete that step as usual to secure your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Xero dashboard for your organization. From the dashboard, look to the top navigation bar and click Accounting. A drop-down will appear. Choose Reports to open the reporting area. This is where Xero groups all standard and custom reports for your organization. On the Reports page, scroll until you find the Journal Report. Depending on your layout, it's typically listed under Accounting or Transaction Level Reports. If your list is long, you can use the page's search field to quickly locate Journal Report. When you see it, select Journal Report to open it. Inside the Journal Report, you're looking at a centralized view of all posted journals in your organization. This screen is a great place to review activity before you drill into manual journals. From here, look for the option that says Go to Manual Journals. Click that to jump straight to the Manual Journals area, where you can view drafts and posted entries, sort and filter by date, and open individual journals to review the details. If your goal is to create a new entry right away, you can also choose Add New Journal from the Journal Report screen. That takes you directly to the Manual Journal form, where you'll enter your date, narration, and the debit and credit lines. Make sure your accounts and tax settings are correct and your totals balanced before you save as a draft or post. A few quick tips as you work. If you don't see the journal report or the manual journals options, you may need additional user permissions from an administrator. When reviewing manual journals, keep an eye on the date range and status filters so you're looking at the right period. And if you're preparing adjustments for month end or year end, consider drafting entries first and posting only after review. That's it. You've logged in, navigated from the dashboard to reports, opened the journal report, and reached the manual journals area with the option to add a new journal whenever you're ready.